Welcome to our latest video featuring this beautiful BMW M8. Our team at Prestige Auto Appearance is ready to give this vehicle a well-deserved clean and protection package. We start onto the interior, where our team of experts will give your car a deep cleaning that will leave it looking like new. Next, we move on to apply the protection of the interior of the vehicle. Then, we move on with the decontamination process, which is applied with a gentle yet thorough foam wash that will leave your car looking spotless and free of contaminants. Our team takes great care to ensure that every inch of your car is covered in a rich lather of suds. We then remove the foam decontaminant by pressure washing the vehicle and proceed with a thorough hand washing of the car. After the wash, the vehicle is passed on to the air and hand drying process. We're also applying a ceramic pro-ceramic coating to the car's exterior, which will provide unbeatable protection against UV damage and other environmental factors. Follow and subscribe for more. We are Prestige Auto Appearance, Ceramic Pro Allentown Elite Dealer. Experience the difference. Call us today at 610-628-4249 or visit us at 3826 Broadway, Allentown, Pennsylvania.